Yeah, but young, what they let's get it. Let's get it. That's what's up. We are getting it. We're there. We're there. Oh my God, man. My life is fun. You either with me or against me, or you either with me or against me. Win, 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 win. Everything else. Win. Shit, mommy. So we on the way to Katabe. Yeah, boy. So yeah, we on the road, man, to Rainbow Katabe. But I love y'all. I love you so much. It's a beautiful place, this place. Yeah. So you know what it is. So we got to take it. I don't care that. It's not going to do a live. Hey, you know you put me one beating. The you man beat up tell it doesn't know what to divide you with me. One and that. It is what it is. Yeah, you say English, I was saying, Dabanga now bad interest. J. You know what it is. Man, I'm in the north, I'm in a good place, I'm in a good spirit, but nobody can kill my vibe. Nobody will ever do that, and I'll never let anyone to allow, I'll never allow anybody else to have that advantage to me and tell me what to do. I really didn't want to speak about this, but but then I sorted it out. I just don't care. I am just concerned really I had to let down some people that really care about me. So I can bring back time. I spoke what I spoke. But whatever they did to me, they came to me personally. They apologized, but they did it publicly. And then they apologizing personally. It doesn't sit well with me. Mankata Bay, it is what it is. Nobody can stop reggae. I am reggae. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm in the north. Home is nice. Like I really like turn and watch. So I'm in the north. I love y'all. Yeah. Sure. Okay, cool. Gada Bay, it is what it is. Let's link up and then we do the thing. That's a bro code. Life Fest. It was a great show. I don't know who is inside your team that doesn't. I can't address anybody else. I can't tell anybody else because Monday in I'm not even one of you people shit inside there. Involved.
next time when you're calling artists, if you involve personal issues with business, most of those messages are taking. Because everybody knows, Woody, whatever happened, whatever you did, according to me, kwambira zijana nena zoli zono mungandike ba fonte or even janta or even kwamba. My was like, okay, I had to address it. I don't know how my friends felt about it. And two, you had the audacity of putting me on a small stage. I'm upcoming artist. And I don't have a problem with that. Because I don't care about that. As long as my check got it. Next time when you're doing things, just know, Woody, when you have personal issues with people, personal issues, it's best go aside and do the business. Yes, I'm a kind of issues anymore. Malawi is small, you see. So if you have personal issues with the person, it's best not calling. You can't shame the shameless, my G. Am I saying?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hearts are broken and Malawi has been engulfed with the sad news and a dark cloud after the passing of a great musician, a winning hip-hop artist, Matse Nkata. He died today at the Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital where he was receiving treatment. Remember, just a few weeks ago, the musician got burned on Friday after his house where he was sleeping in caught fire. This happened after a few days of celebrating his birthday. This 28-year-old has been an iconic artist in the Malawian urban music circles, and he has been considered one of the musicians who has mastered the art of producing hit songs. Just in the past year, he released a hit song called Katimo, a song which is considered to have been an anthem of 2021. It features hip-hop legends Berry Uno and Hyphen. In the past weeks, he had started a charity after he said he had tried to talk about it in many circles and there was no help, and he started a campaign to raise funds for primary school desks in the country. That is, he posted on his Facebook page when he said, with a video when he visited many schools, and he said the names of everyone that would contribute to the project would be posted on his page on Facebook, and he had posted already some of the people. He had requested many people because he said the situation was very dire in the schools and he had decided to take a helping hand. That was what his helping heart for his people in the country of Malawi. Such a young artist has died with a great heart. We send our condolences to the family, the friends. We know he has been a loving person, as we see very many tributes flowing in all over social media. Rest in peace. Thank you for watching Swaz Media. If it is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and also to like. As Swaz Media, we are dedicated to bringing you live updates in the entertainment industry all over the world. So don't forget to put on that notification bell so that when we do a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. And for the returning subscriber, thank you very much. Thank you for supporting the work of our hands. We're also dedicated to giving you more updates. Thank you for supporting us. We pray God bless you and everyone and your family. Thank you very much for watching.